Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing mint sharbat recipe, a highly refreshing and cooling summer drink. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a small bowl, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds. Add in some water and allow the basil seeds to soak for about 5 minutes or until they swell up. Basil seeds or sabja seeds has cooling properties, hence it's ideal to use in the summers. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of basil seeds and how basil seeds and chia seeds are different. Links will be updated in the description box below this video. Please do check it out to understand more. This is 1 cup of fresh mint leaves. So what I've done is I washed and rinsed it thoroughly and then I have kept it on a strainer. Into my high-speed blender jar, I'm adding in the rinsed and strained mint leaves. Add in half cup of water. 2 teaspoons pure organic sugarcane jaggery. Now the jaggery I'm using does not contain any sand, dirt or dust particles. Hence I'm adding it directly into the blender jar. You may also note that the jaggery is soft, smooth and creamy. So this is pure organic sugarcane jaggery. You can increase or decrease jaggery as per your sweetness. 1/3 teaspoon roasted jeera powder. 1/4 teaspoon black salt, also known as kala namak. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. Squeeze in 1 whole lemon, and now I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and blended well. Pour the blended Pudina Sharbat into a cup through a strainer. Since I used a high-speed blender, you can see that there is very little residue of mint leaves on the strainer. So even if you don't strain it, it is okay. The best thing about this mint sharbat is that you can make ahead this and store in the refrigerator and it will stay good in an airtight glass bottle. Meanwhile, the basil seeds has swelled up really well. Basil seeds can also be kept in the refrigerator and it will stay good for a couple of days. To serve the sharbat, into my serving glass, I'm adding in some ice cubes. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the soaked sabja seeds. Fill half of the glass with the prepared mint sharbat. Fill the rest of the glass with water. Garnish it with a slice of lemon and a couple of sprigs of mint leaves. And my super healthy Pudina Sharbat is ready to serve. With this recipe, you can make 2 to 3 glasses of mint sharbat. So guys, do try this healthy Pudina Sharbat and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.